Namaste and welcome to our today's tutorial video on how to perform kakasana, also called as the crow pose. Today we'll guide you through the steps to perform this pose with proper alignment and techniques. Before attempting kakasana, all you need to do is warm up your wrist, arms, shoulders and core muscles. For that, you can rotate your wrist, stretch your shoulders, perform some planks to get yourself prepared for the posture. So let us begin in low squatting position. Start with sitting in low squat position with your feet more than hip width, your arms placed in the front, more than shoulder width apart, fingers wide open, lift your pelvis up, shift your body weight forward to bring your weight onto your arms. Now pull your navel in to engage your core muscles. This will help you maintain your balance. Place your knees deep inside your armpits. Now slowly lift one foot at a time to maintain your balance. Gaze forward at a point. Hold this posture for 5 to 10 breaths or as long as you are comfortable with it. With the gradual practice, you can increase the holding duration. For coming back, all you need to shift your body weight back, drop your toes down and sit back in the squatting position again. Remember to breathe in uniformly and continuously. Don't force yourself into the posture, listen to your body. If you feel discomfort, you can immediately get off the pose and try again later. With the gradual practice, you will improve your stability and balance. It not only strengthens your arms, wrists, shoulders and core muscles, but also improves your balance and focus. So that was all for today's tutorial video. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Also follow my Instagram account for more yoga updates. Thank you for watching. Namaste.